See, these type of theory class, no? Theory is well understood when you do the numericals. In our time also, when we do numericals, then only we will get good understanding about that. So when we will do some good number of numericals, we will easily understand the questions or the background behind this. Okay. Now, they are saying 6.3 gram of NaHCO3 is added to 15 gram of CH3COH solution. The residue is found to weight is 18 gram. What is the mass of CO2 released in the reaction? They are asking the mass of. First, you will write the reaction, that is NaHCO3 plus CH3COH is giving you what? CH3CONA, CH3CONA plus your H2O plus your CO2. This will be your reaction. Okay, in this reaction, they have provided this 6.3 gram. They have provided acetic acid at 15 gram. Now I know that they found the residue in this reaction. What is your residue? Residue is this, because they are asking the value of this CO2. So when I am saying this is a residue and residue is 18.0 gram and their value is CO2, suppose x gram. Okay, the reactants mass sum is equal to your product mass sum. So I will say that reactants mass is equal to your product mass. Product mass. So reactants mass will be 6.3 plus your 15 is equal to your residue is 18 plus x. So x value will be what? Minus 18. So 6.3 minus 3, right? So it becomes 3.3 gram. It's very simple. Just to write, use the law. Huh? And which law? Law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. Okay. Next. Now next question is carbon and oxygen. Carbon and oxygen are known to form compounds. Okay, the carbon contained in one of these compounds 42.9%, while the other is 27.3%. So that the data are agreement with the law of multiple proportion. Law of multiple proportion is their ratios will be we have to find. Okay, now first compound carbon is 42.9. So mass of oxygen will be what? Percentage na. So 100 times minus that one, the mass of oxygen will become. In the second compound it is 27.3%. So 100 minus 27.3. So it is this one. Okay, now in first part, carbon combining with 51 gram of oxygen is giving itna gram. So mass of carbon combining with 1 gram of oxygen will be this na gram. In the second, your mass of carbon combining itna gram of oxygen, so is how much? 27. So 1 gram of oxygen they are combining this part. The ratio of the mass of the carbon with the fixed mass of oxygen is 2:1. Okay, so